What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to be talking about objects. All right, objects usually have several properties. Think about an object such as a car, and the properties it could be the number of doors, engine size, type of fuel, etc. Yeah, think about in an object as a group of values or properties. Let's see an example. Let's see this object we're going to be creating is going to be assigned to a variable name, to a variable. So let's see, it's going to be person, and then usually you do a equal sign, and then open and closing curly braces, and then inside here, that's where we're going to have our property name, and we're going to have the value. So in this case, we're going to have name followed by column, and then the name is going to be let's do my name, Pastor, with double quotes. If there is different properties, you just do a comma and then go to the next one. Let's just do age, uh, column, and then for numbers you don't need single quotes or double quotes. It's just only just a number, comma, and then it's going to be the last one. It's going to be part-time equals to false. Okay, now how do we no equals what I'm so is column. Okay, sorry for the confusion, but how do we access, and then we add with a semicolon right there, how do we access these properties right here? So how we do is the following. We just do show message, open closing parentheses, and then we just do the variable name person, and then that, and we use the property name, in this case name, right, a semicolon, and then we save it, refresh the browser, it should give me Pastor, and then we just do the same thing with age, refresh it, and it should give me the age is 32, and then we change that to part-time, save it, and it should give me false, right? And also we want to up, there is a different way to access this using brackets, square brackets. Let's see this by doing an example. We want to update the age. Let's just do person, curly brackets, open and closing, and then inside here is going to be double quotes, and we're going to do the variable name, I mean the property name. We're going to do age, and then equals to, let's do, what is it, 67, semicolon, and then yeah, let's change the name over here. Let's just do age should update to 67. Let's save that thing, refresh our browser. Yeah, 67. All right, cool. Let's just do one more example really quick. So let's do let computer equals open and curly braces, and then inside here we're going to have speed, semicolon, and then we're going to have double quotes, and we're going to say 4 gigahertz right here. Gigahertz, that's how you say it, gigahertz. We're going to say GHZ, and then we just do comma, and then we just do another one, HD, column, and then we do 500 gigabytes, comma, and then the last one is going to be RAM, column, and then we're going to do 8 gigabytes, a gigabytes right here. Okay, and then right here we're going to say the following, show message, Oh man. And then we want to say computer. I want to do the following: computer, just to uh, double quotes, computer speed, and then we're going to concatenate, and then we're going to say computer that speed, right? And the semicolon, let's save it and refresh the browser, and then we have computer speed 4 gigahertz, right? And that's we can do the same thing for the next one. Let's just do one more. RAM, computer RAM. Let's just do capital, and then we just change over here to RAM. Save it, and then we have computer RAM is 8 gigabytes. All right, guys. So we're going to keep talking about objects, and that was it for now. Or I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Okay, have a good night. Okay, bye.